Hello students, how are you all? Today we'll discuss Standard 7 Subject Science Lesson number 12, the muscular and digestive system in human beings notes. So let's begin. Here question 1 is fill in the blanks with the right word from the given brackets. A. The process of digestion starts from the dash, and the answer is mouth. Process of digestion starts from the mouth. B. Eyelids have dash muscles, involuntary muscles. C. Dash is not a function of the muscular system, and the answer is production of blood cells is not a function of the muscular system. D. Muscles of the heart are dash. Muscles of the heart are cardiac muscles. E. Pushing forward the food that has been chewed is the function of the dash, and the answer is esophagus. Means pushing forward the food that has been chewed is the function of the esophagus. Now let's see question 2. Find a match for me. It is in two groups, children. Group A. In group A, the questions are there, and in group B, I have given its answer. First one is cardiac muscles. Its answer is we never feel tired. Second one, are brought about by muscles. Answer is chewing movements of jaws. Third one is pepsin, and the answer is enzyme of the gastric juice. Fourth one, cramps, and the answer is uncontrolled and painful contraction of muscles. Fifth one, skeletal muscles, and its answer is always function in pairs. Let's see question 3. Who is telling a lie? Children, what I have done here, all the organs are given and here statements are given. So first I have written entire question and here I have given all the answer one by one. Okay, so let's see. First organ is tongue and the statement is my taste buds can tell only a sweet taste. And its answer is tongue is lying. It can sense all the different tastes. Second one is liver. And the statement is I am the largest gland in the body. Its answer is liver is telling the truth. Yes children, it is the largest gland in the body. Third one is large intestine and the statement is I am 7.5 meter long. See its answer, large intestine is lying. Its length is 1.5 meter long. Fourth one, appendix is lying. It does not perform any function in human body. Fifth statement, lung, I play an important role in excretion. Lung is telling a partial lie. It can perform function of excretion but not as important role as performed by kidney. Student, question 4, give reasons. Question A, food becomes acidic in the stomach. Answer, the wall of the stomach has gastric glands that produce mild hydrochloric acid. Due to this, the food becomes acidic in the stomach. Question B, cardiac muscles are said to be involuntary muscles. And its answer is the muscles of the heart do not function according to our will. They continuously work throughout the lifetime by involuntary smooth muscles. Question C of give reasons intoxicating substances should not be consumed. And its answer is consuming intoxicating addictive substances can cause harm to our health. Tobacco, smoking cigarettes, consuming alcohol are bad addictive habits. Some of these also cause cancer of various organs. The functioning of the systems of the body is distributed due to such habits. Therefore, intoxicating substances should not be consumed. Question D. Your muscles should be strong and efficient. Children, this question is very important. The muscles of the body become strong and healthy due to proper proteinaceous diet and exercise. With such muscles, we can perform many activities. If the muscles are not healthy, there can be various painful problems. Therefore, the muscles should be strong and efficient. Let's see question 5. Answer the following. Question A. How many types of muscles are there? Which are those types? Children, the muscles are of three main types. First one is skeletal or voluntary muscles. Second one, cardiac muscles. And third one is smooth or involuntary muscles. Question B. What causes the problem of acidity? What is its effects on the body? Acid is produced by stomach. It is mild, 0.5% HCl. If excess of acid is produced, it causes headache, heartburns, vomiting or skin rashes. Question C. Name the different types of teeth. What is the function of each type? And its answer is there are main four types of teeth. These are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors helps in biting, breaking something into a piece or for peeling. Canines are not well developed in herbivorous animals and man. They are basically for killing a prey. Premolars and molars help in chewing and grinding the food. Children, last question of this lesson. Sketch and label a diagram of the digestive system and describe it in your own word. This is the diagram of digestive system, children. Observe it properly. You have to draw it in your notebook also. Let's see this first part, that is mouth. Digestion of food begins in the mouth. Food is chewed with the help of teeth into very small pieces. Next part of this is salivary glands. Saliva is produced in the salivary glands in the mouth cavity located in front of the ears near the pharynx and below the tongue. It is carried to the mouth via ducts. It is mixed with food during the process of chewing. Now below that, children, just observe third part, that is pharynx or throat. The esophagus and trachea open into the pharynx. Below that, just see this tube-like part, that is known as esophagus. This is the fourth organ. It is a tube leading from the pharynx to the stomach. It pushes the food towards the stomach. Next, this part, just observe this dark brown and this part, that is known as liver. The liver is the largest gland in the body. It has a rich supply of blood. Its main function is storage of glucose. The gallbladder is situated below the liver. It stores the bile, the digestive juice secreted by the liver. When bile is carried into the small intestine, it mixes with the food there and helps in the digestion of fats. Bile contains bile salts. This lip-like part, which is green and somewhat yellow in color, that is known as pancreas. The pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice that contains various enzymes. Next, this big part that is known as stomach. Let us see, children, stomach. This is a large sac-like part of the alimentary canal, is called as stomach. The gastric glands of stomach secrete gastric juice. Food that has entered stomach is churned. Three components of gastric juice, namely hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus, are mixed with food here and it becomes acidic. Mainly proteins are digested in the stomach. Due to the churning and action of gastric juice, food becomes a semi-solid slurry which is slowly pushed into the small intestine. Now let us see this large tube-like part. This is known as large intestine. Let's see. The large intestine is about 1.5 meter long. Only water is absorbed in the large intestine. A small part called the appendix is attached to the first part of large intestine. Undigested remains of the food digested in the small intestine enter the large intestine and undigested material is thrown out of the body through the anus. Now inside this large intestine, this part you can observe is known as small intestine. The small intestine is about 6 meter long. Children, always remember this size of large intestine as well as small intestine. Most of the digestion and absorption of food takes place here. Three different digestive juices are mixed with the food in the small intestine. Absorption into the blood of nutrients obtained by the digestion of food also occurs in the small intestine. Thank you for watching my video till the end. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.